Okay, welcome in very short tutorial. So I spent like 2 days trying to figure out how to rotate the object to face another object and respect the rotation of it. Like I'm shooting the raycast on the trace, whatever you want to call it. So it's aligning with the normal, and after this I'm rotating the object. So let's go to the actual map behind it, because I spent a lot of time. Maybe I help someone else. So you want to grab the normal, the hit normal on the impact, doesn't matter. I was doing on this on the impact because I was testing some stuff. So you grabbing the normal, the hit, and on rotating. So you're getting the. You just launch the pointer very quickly. So let's say you have the hit normal, like this is the up vector, and the rest of the vectors is pointing like this direction, this like aligned. So you are unrotating and you're getting the vector, the impact or the hit vector in the global. So, and depending where the normal is actually pointing, this will give you like let's say this is the face, and this is the normal pointing away from the face. So I align it pretty much the up vector to be parallel like with the face. So let me close it. And so this is what is actually an rotate vector doing. This is making the rotation. So actually the from the vector pointing away from the object. So the z, and combining the global rotation between 1, -1, and so on. And you at the end you're getting the like align it. I didn't test it if this is working with the sphere. It's just place actor. You just grab the sphere really quickly. Scale it like yep, it is working. Like you can see it's pointing away, and the axes are not rotating like weirdly. So this is like how to actually align the stuff. You can use it to actually place the decal on the object. You have some axes actually pointing in the right direction, because I can actually show what is happening if you use only the normal. Just grab this, and doesn't matter if I use this or this, it will be the same. So as you can see, this is like completely fine, but if you have the rotated object, there is the problem. Like the axis is not rotated to be like aligned with the object. So if you like doing like building game or something else, you can also use it. Let me just rotate the sphere and just do this, and this should also point in the same direction. Yep. Like you can see it's pointing, but this I think on this video doesn't matter unless you're doing like 90 degrees stuff. Yeah, on this video is kinda different. Probably. So that's it. See you next time. Thank you for watching.